I was at my girlfriend's house. We got in an argument. I had left. I was actually at the gas station, and a couple police officers tapped on my shoulder. They took me outside. They said that there was an incident at the residence where I was, and they ended up arresting me, saying that it was for an assault. I was extremely confused, didn't know what was going on. I hired on a smaller attorney at the time to take care of things, and then it kind of escalated into something that none of us foreseen happening. Somehow I was looking at 3 counts of rape, 3 counts of kidnapping, burglary. It was definitely a scary experience looking down the barrel of a life sentence. At that point, I kind of realized I needed maybe more of an elite attorney and a law firm office to handle my case. Coming across HMW Law, probably one of the greatest experiences that I have. Right off the rip, they did everything they could to go to bat for me to make sure that I was going to be okay in the long run. We went to court, sitting there waiting for the verdict. As soon as I heard not guilty, and felt like 1,000 pounds got taken off my shoulder. And I couldn't have asked for a better representation than what HMW Law provided for me.
I got in some trouble. I ended up getting arrested. For me, I was facing 36 years. What was at stake was pretty much everything. HMW Law felt like it was a real good fit. They cared about not only me, but the case. They cared about what was the end result and what was going to happen. They sat there and dominated for 2 weeks in that courtroom. It was one of the quickest verdicts in Lake County's courthouse to come back as a not guilty verdict. It was so much weight lifted off of me. I honestly couldn't imagine anybody else helping me during that process.
HMW Law, this is a team that is not looking at the money that is involved with the case. They're really there passionately to take care of you, make sure that you get the outcome that you deserve. They really made me feel like I was a part of a family here. I would 100% recommend them to anybody looking for legal help.
I would absolutely recommend HMW Law for any problems to a severity of what you're facing. They're not your typical law firm. They're great people that work here.